Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a Southwest quinoa salad. And quinoa is one of those amazing superfoods. And it's actually not a grain, it is a seed, and it's about 3,000 or 4,000 years old. It was discovered by the Incas. They decided that it was fit for human consumption, and thank goodness they did, because quinoa is delicious. And it is a complete protein, which has all the 9 essential amino acids. And it is full of fiber and all kinds of minerals, and it helps lower your blood pressure, helps with lower your cholesterol. So all in all, just a really good superfood. So I'm gonna go over to the stove here and we'll get this baby started. In my pan, I added some veggie broth, 3 cloves of minced garlic, and a chopped jalapeno, and we're just gonna let this saute for a couple of minutes till the jalapeno gets a little bit soft. Now we're gonna add a can of black beans, which I've rinsed and drained, a can of corn, rinsed and drained. Well, you don't really need to rinse it, just drain it. Then I've got 3 Roma tomatoes that I chopped. I've got 1 cup of quinoa that I rinsed. Two cups of veggie broth. And for our spices, we have chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. I will give exact measurements in my description box. So we're gonna bring this up to a boil, stir it all so it's incorporated, all the spices and everything. So once this comes to a boil, I'm going to cover it, simmer it for about 20 minutes till all the liquid is absorbed and the quinoa is tender. And then we will be ready to taste, garnish it and taste it. So this is perfect. The moisture is out and the quinoa has cooked. It gets a little tail on it. All right, we're gonna transfer this to a serving dish and garnish it. So we're gonna garnish with a little lime juice, some little chopped avocado, and a little bit of cilantro. And there you go. Beautiful little plate. Here we go, Southwest quinoa salad. Looks delicious, super colorful with that magical quinoa. Forgot to also mention that quinoa is high in iron too. So let's give this one a taste. Hot. Temperature hot, not spicy hot. That is really good. Just a little bit of heat from the jalapeno and the chili powder. So that's wonderful. I'm gonna do one more bite. I want some avocado. That is really, really good. Quinoa is a great one to have in your arsenal for sure. And then as far as my kitchen setup, I had to go back to the old way. The new way I was trying just didn't work and there was a lot of problems. So for right now, it's going back to this way. So I'm trying to work out something different. So we'll see what happens in the future. But I hope you give this recipe a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you like this t-shirt, Vegan Do It, you can get it at my Etsy store. Information is in the description box below. Until next time, thank you.